Meet the Orion Drift Mecha, now with articulated legs to bring every pose to life. Here it is, the amazing Orion Drift Mecha, all finished. Wanna learn how to build it? Stick around, I'll show you step by step. First, let's remove all the supports. Bye bye extra plastic, hello clean mecha. Now, let's make sure every part is clean, no burrs allowed. That way it looks neat and fits just right. Time to bring it to life. Let's assemble the head of the Orion Drift Mecha. First, we glue the black front. It's what gives the mecha its style. Next up, the eyes. I used a neon material so they glow and look alive. Now let's glue the antenna. Every mecha needs a strong intergalactic signal. Let's attach the neck using a small piece of filament. A simple trick, but super effective. And this is how the Orion Drift Mecha's head turned out. Now let's build the arm. These are the pieces we need. The humerus is the part that allows the arm to rotate, and this is how we assemble it. The filament pieces are our best allies, small but mighty. Now let's assemble the arm with the forearm, also using a small piece of filament, as I show you. Easy and strong. Let's move on to the wrist. We assemble it as I show you here. Every detail matters so the arm moves perfectly. Next, the fingers. Before assembling, I suggest checking that the hands are on the correct side. We don't want upside down fingers. And this is the Orion Drift Mecha's full arm, with all its movements ready for action. Now we attach the arm to the mid-torso as I show you. Don't forget to secure the shoulder. And this is how it should look. Everything fitted perfectly. We do this twice, so both arms are ready and symmetrical. Now let's move on to the legs. These are all the parts we'll be using. Pay close attention to every detail. Just like we've been doing, let's attach the foot as I show you, using a small piece of filament. Strong and ready. Now we assemble the femur, just like we did with the humerus. Key for perfect leg rotation. Now let's assemble the femur with the ankle. Watch closely to see how to do it so everything stays strong and in place. Now let's assemble the hindquarters, just as I show you. And after finishing both sides, now we look for a 1-inch screw, essential to secure everything properly. As I show you, we proceed to assemble the entire hindquarters, making sure everything stays strong and aligned. We're almost done. Now we just need to attach the torso, the head and the hindquarters. The Orion Drift Mecha comes to life. For this, we'll need a 1 7/16" screw, essential to securely join all the parts. We screw the screw into place. And done, we're finished! Well, almost. The chest light is left. We assemble it as I show you, step by step. Back detail and done. Now the project is complete. Our Orion Drift Mecha is fully assembled. Check it out! Everything in place and fully articulated. Amazing! I hope you enjoyed this project. See you in the next one. Greetings!